Hey there. Have you ever had a bag that haunts you? Something that you maybe missed out on or talked yourself out of, but it just lives there rent free in the back of your mind. Those regrets, those you got to have them. Well, today I obtained one that I was just not going to ever buy, and I bought it. So come back, we will unpack that. Stick around. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My channel's about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, favorite fragrances, skincare, makeup, handbags, be it expensive ones, contemporary ones you got off of Goodwill, eBay, Poshmark, what have you. Whatever makes you feel good about yourself, you deserve to treat yourself to a little bit of happiness. And I have finally done that today. Well, actually, here's the thing. I bought this bag, now I think it's been 6 weeks that I've had it. So, the backstory of this is this bag was released over a year ago, and I talked myself out of this bag. I'm not one to follow trends. I don't really jump on the like gotta have it. If I really want it, I'll buy it, but for the most part it's like, yeah, I can live without it. But this particular one, this was a hot bag. Everyone was buying it, and I don't know, just was stupid. Anywho, if you talk yourself out of buying a bag and you find yourself buying other things to take its place, but you're still thinking about that bag, you probably should have bought the bag, right? So this is a Coach bag. And those of you who watch my channel regularly know I have not shut up about this bag pretty much since it sold out. I should have bought it. I don't know, just talked myself out of it. And, I'll grab the one thing. I ended up buying this at the outlet, and thought, oh, this will do. It has the little cherry. It has the denim fabric. I've got all I need. It wasn't enough. After this, I bought, I think it was the Brook flap bag. This fabric. Returned that bag. Didn't love it. A few months later, I bought the Gotham duffel, and I did like that. I did use it. I just didn't love it enough. And I wore it once, sat up there on my shelf. I felt bad about it, and I still thought about the other bag. And I ended up giving away the Gotham to a family member for Christmas because it was practically brand new. But because this other bag was so elusive to me, I just kept looking for it. I was going to trade a fellow friend, for it, but it ended up because I was going to give away the Gotham duffel, it wasn't going to be an even trade at that point. So I ended up buying this bag from another person. And let me grab it, because if there's one thing about me, I am patient. It will take me, I will go to the ends of the earth to find something, and I will wait and get it. So I bought this again, middle of Vlogmas, probably the first week of December, second week of December, I got the package. It sat over there in the corner, and I didn't unbox it. I just had opened it to make sure it arrived, let the person know, yep, it got here, no problem. And it was sitting over there in the corner for weeks. And I just, I finally had it. I was at peace. I didn't I didn't have to rush to get into it. I was good, which is odd for how much I really wanted this bag. But I thought I want to reveal it and talk about it, because I have questions as far as, do you feel that there are trends? And I think that this got moved on because it was no longer trendy, I'm assuming. And so my win, right? You know, they used it, they loved it, and they no longer needed it in their life, so they passed it on, and it's now my gain. But I am way beyond the trend of the denim Rowan, but I really wanted this bag, and I have not shut up about how much I wanted this bag. Every week when I swap out my bag, I talk about this and how much I wanted it. So now that I have it, I kind of find it interesting because the whole reason why I didn't buy it and I talked myself out of buying it is because I don't wear denim. Like I wear black denim, I wear black jeans, but I don't wear blue denim at all. Like I have a couple of pairs of jeans, and they're like dark navy wash, practically black. So most of my clothing is not in this tone. So that's why I talked myself out of ever needing it. I was like, I don't wear denim. It's not my style. It's just not my thing. I don't need this bag. But there I go, buying the wristlet, buying that flat bag, buying the I obviously wanted it. And I sat there and I kept thinking to myself, why would I buy something that I don't really wear in my wardrobe? I don't wear jeans. Why do I want it so? What was it about it that I needed to have so badly in my life? I love it though. I think it's beautiful. I love the fabric. I'm so excited to have it and have it get into my collection. I'm almost thinking the reason why I haven't like immediately jumped into it is because I know myself that when I love something so much, I want to live in it and I won't want to ever swap out of it. So I'm kind of hesitant to like, I know I'm going to love it so much that I kind of want to keep it on the shelf and not use it. But at the same time, it's so beautiful and I'm so excited to finally have it. So, you know, it is in pristine condition. In fact, the person who I bought it from never used the strap. It's still wrapped up in all of its glory. They only hand carried it. I am just over the moon floored that I finally have it. In fact, I put my little Murakami dupe chain with it. So I'm going to put that onto it at some point. So I can't wait to dress it up and wear it during one of the swap outs. But I'm laughing at myself that I'm just not like immediately throwing my stuff into it, but I can't wait to. I'm so thrilled that it has the treated leather to it. It's not going to be one of those fussy bags. So it's like I just can't wait. I can't wait to have it be in the rotation. I do like that it has the colored leather here as well. So it's kind of a mix of the one I had. That one was just a little bit too small. That's why I didn't like it as much. So this is the perfect size for me, proportional wise. I think it's a really lovely lovely size, but it is no longer trendy. So do you still find value if something, and I'm just curious if anybody else has the same kind of issue? It's like, do you talk yourself out of, you know, the hype bags that everybody wants, but still find yourself wanting to obtain them later down the road? I mean, it's one thing when it's like the, you know, vintage Murakami bags from Louis Vuitton, or even like I was getting the Burrow bags from Coach that are, you know, 10, 12 years old at this point. I'm obtaining bags from back in the day, the Ricky, what else? Rig Krakoff bags, things like that, right? It's like, do you once the hype is gone, do you still find value in them, or do you just move on to the next bag? So it's like, do you talk yourself out of bags, but then find yourself trying to find them later on? Or am I just crazy? Because I could not stop. I kept trying to placate my desire for this bag with other things, and I should have just bought this bag from day one, but that's okay. I have it now. I'm revealing it, and it will be in the rotation here shortly. Thank you so much for letting me buy this from you, and I appreciate that I am able to now have it as part of my collection. I can twin with Dawn Donuts. She was the friend who let me know about it, and I am just really thrilled to now have it be part of the collection. So can't wait to swap into it. Can you let me know down below what, if any, bags are like this, like the ones that got away that you still pine for? Do you just let it go? Do you just let them live fondly in the memories? Or do you actively, like, do you have your watch list that you're just like, the day it shows up, it's add to cart? Or, you know, yeah, what, I don't know why I feel so silly. I feel silly that I was so obsessed with obtaining it. And now that I have it, I feel like, okay, you know, yay, it's sitting over there, and I'm not as like anxious, I guess is the word, to get into the bag. So I'm just curious, is anyone else like that, or am I just one of those strange people? I know I'm strange, but you know, just saying. I can't wait to put the cherry scarf on. I have that triangle scarf that will be fun on here. Well, there's so many things that it will be really fun on this, so I cannot wait to start using this, and I just feel it's going to be a really great bag to have. And I don't care that it's a year old, out of trend, I guess. I think it's still with it or whatever. I think it would be really fun to carry. So anyway, that's my reveal, and I'm glad you joined me. Let me know down below what you're into, what got away, and I will chat with you later. Take care. Bye.